Hey, Nancy, I'm thinking of starting an e-commerce business. What's the best e-commerce platform out there?
Well, there are a lot of e-commerce platforms to choose from. Some popular ones are Shopify, BigCommerce, and WooCommerce.
I've heard of Shopify before. What makes it stand out from the others?
Shopify is known for being user-friendly and easy to set up. It also has a lot of built-in features and integrations that can help you run your e-commerce business smoothly.
Interesting. What about BigCommerce? How does it compare to Shopify?
BigCommerce is also a great e-commerce platform. It's known for being scalable and customizable, which can be great for businesses that are looking to grow.
And what about WooCommerce? I've heard it's a popular choice for WordPress users.
Yes, that's right. WooCommerce is a plugin for WordPress that turns your website into an e-commerce store. It's a great option if you're already using WordPress and want to keep everything in one place.
Those all sound like good options. Are there any other e-commerce platforms I should consider?
Zoho Commerce is another e-commerce software solution that's worth checking out. It's known for being affordable and easy to use, especially for beginners.
Thanks for the advice, Nancy. I'll definitely look into those top e-commerce platforms and figure out which e-commerce solution is best for my e-commerce business. Do you have any tips for someone who's just starting an e-commerce business?
Sure, there are a few things to keep in mind. First, make sure you have a clear idea of what you want to sell and who your target audience is. Second, choose an e-commerce platform that fits your needs and budget. And third, focus on creating high-quality product listings and marketing your store effectively.
That makes sense. What about payment processing and shipping? Do I need to worry about those things?
Yes, those are important aspects of running an e-commerce business. Make sure you choose a payment processor that's secure and reliable, and set up shipping options that work for your customers.
Got it. And what about customer service? How can I make sure my customers are happy?
Providing excellent customer service is key to building a successful e-commerce business. Make sure you're responsive to customer inquiries and complaints, and go above and beyond to make sure your customers are satisfied with their purchases.
Thanks for all the advice, Nancy. I feel a lot more confident about starting my e-commerce business now.
You're welcome, Sarah. Good luck with your e-commerce journey.